Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about Siemens injectors, or as they're also known, Continental. The main point of this video is that many people remove injectors from their cars and take them to be tested on a specialized diagnostic stand. But it turns out that the electrical component in the injectors is faulty, so to avoid dealing with this issue and not having to remove them, I will show exactly how they can be tested properly. Just leave it in the car, and if it turns out that the electrical part is indeed bad, only then remove them. But if the electrical part is fine and still the car isn't operating well, then you would proceed to remove them and test them thoroughly on the stand. Let's take the tester, ensuring it's ready for use. Set it to 200K mode, which is suitable for our purpose. We take the nozzle and in between the individual contacts, we check the resistance level. In this particular case, it shows 196. This signifies that both the injector and the electrical part are functioning well. Let's check another one. In this specific case, the electrical part is already faulty because it only shows 3 slots and needs to be checked. Let's look at this. This injector shows 195, indicating resistance in the system and that the electrical part of the injector is in good working condition. Additionally, verify if there's a short circuit to the chassis. Take one contact at a time and examine the chassis carefully to ensure no electrical faults. Then we take another contact and we closely inspect the housing for any issues. If it shows nothing, then the injector is indeed in good condition. In this case, where we've only shown 3. You need to replace them. These injectors are used on many cars: Audi, Volkswagen, Peugeot, Citroën, Renault, Nissan.